Well, greetings. This is Andy Burns and Pamela over there. And we are on the road. Our house is having an open house for the next 3 or 4 hours. So, and tomorrow as well. So we thought we'd just take all the little fur babies. We got well, I can't do it that way. We got Callie in there. You can't probably see her, but she's not very happy right now that she's locked in the car. And then we got our 2 dogs in the back. But let me switch the view so you can see what is going on the other side. At least I think I can do that. No, I can't. All right, well, I won't do that. I'll do this. And you can see that we're going down the road in beautiful Montana. And on our way to a town called Missoula, which is about 30 miles north of where we live. Pam and I did the bumblebee whirlwind around the house to get it ready to go for the open house today. We've got most of our furniture accounted for, either sold and not picked up, or given away and not picked up. So once they pick up that stuff, hopefully this week, we'll have a fairly empty house, although we still have some more stuff to get rid of. We're going to have another garage sale next weekend. We were going to do it this weekend, but the open houses got in the way. So that's fine. We need to sell the house, so that's most important. And then whatever we can sell, we'll sell, and whatever we can't sell, we'll donate. We're not too attached to what we have. Stuff is stuff, things are things. So whatever we need, God provides. And despite the fact that we have a nice truck and we're getting a nice RV, we still live pretty frugally. We don't go out and go to parties and go to nightclubs and bars and all that scene. That's not what we do. We're just not into it, and part of it's not a good example for others to see anyway. We'll go to occasional minor league game in Missoula. I'm holding on to the cat thing. It keeps sliding. That's what's going on here. But we went to that game, and at that game I was getting ready to take a picture of Pam and our friend Danielle, and it slid right out of my hands and landed flat on the glass and smashed it to bits. So I had to have AT&T send me a new one. I got it within a day, which was awesome. But I decided to put my OtterBox cover back on my phone so that if I drop it again, it's got a little more possibility of being saved. On that one, I had one of those rechargeable Mobi things where you could just sit it on the charger and it would charge. Because in our truck, in the middle console, there's a spot where you can lay the phone and it'll charge if it's designed to do that. But it's also very slippery, and my hands don't hold on to things like they should. So it's just better and safer. That's why I bought the box in the first place, to make sure I can protect my phone. It's not a cheap investment over the time, but it's worth it in the long run because we can do much with it through our travels and through our ministry. So we're entering the town of Missoula right now. Let me turn it around again. There's a Walmart up here, and there's another Walmart down the road a little bit. But that's all we got to say. We just wanted to give a short, brief update, and hopefully we can put an addendum on this after we get back home, after the open house, and maybe somebody got so excited that they wanted it right now, or several people, and there's a bidding war, which would be, oh, poor kitty.
She's all right like that.
Which would be totally awesome. She just slid back, and now she's that away, but she'll be all right for a few minutes. I'll fix her up. We really love our cat, honestly. We actually stopped at the Tractor Supply a few minutes ago and picked up a larger cage, so she's not cooped up in this plastic thing, which I can't reach it.
I'll get it in a minute, honey.
But we're going to stop in about 2 minutes, so that's all right. She'll survive. She's been through worse, I'm sure. But if you have any comments or questions, please leave comments. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe. Turns out we don't need 50, we need 100 subscribers before we can change our name from that big long YouTube thing to a short one that says road burns instead. So we're excited about that. The website's going up good. Got all of our links to our Amazon affiliate stores, so you can go there and purchase your normal Amazon purchases through our links, and that way we'll eventually get a little bit of commission on that. Every bit counts, and we appreciate your support. We appreciate your support and prayer, and anything you can do to give us advice or any other questions you might have about us and our ministry, or just why we're doing this and how crazy we must be, fire away. We can take it. We got thick skin. So, all right. Well, God bless, and we'll talk to you very soon.